Hi, welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and in this league of financial education we are discussing that why you book profit early and what is the way out to maximize the profit. As a human we are risk averse, but we become risk averse when we are not required to be. When our position is in profit, that is the time we try to become risk averse and book our profit early, because we fear that if we do not do so and if profit goes away, then you will be in a guilt trap. And the actual time when you should be risk averse, when your position has hit stop loss, you give size to your position, space to the position, and that is the time you become the risk seeking individual, which can also be attributed to the disposition effect, because you get into the prayer mode thinking that your loss making position will come back at least to your buy price. So we are devising a strategy whereby सांप भी मर जाए और लाठी भी ना टूटे, and this can be achieved by doing a strategical work whereby you book profit on the underlying, that is the stock, and use a call or a call spread instead. Now when we are referring to the call in the option, you need to go to the at the money call in that stock. Why we are referring for the at the money call? Because it has highest gamma and vega, and if the stock moves in the correct direction, you will be benefited with the movement in the call, and you should book out before the expiry so that you get the benefit of the time value also. So far so good for the trending stock. However, if you feel the stock is now going to be range bound or is likely to hit a resistance, in that scenario what you should do is you should buy a call spread, that is buy one ATM call, that is at the money call, and sell one strike above the resistance level. So this is how you should be going about. We will give you the complete link for this article where we have written it so that you can go through it in a thorough manner. Remember, an ATM call is preferable because it has the highest gamma and vega. ATM call is the one that is closest to the underlying price. It also reduces the cost of your long call. Now you have to understand how you have to buy these ATM call oblique spread. You have sold the stock, take out the 50% profit and use only 50% profit to buy the call. So this strategy will be only most successful when you use only 50% of the profit, because at least 50% of your profit you have already booked and kept to a side. I hope this strategy has been understood. In case you have not understood anything, you can click on the link given in the description box and go through the article which we have written with an example. We look forward for your association with us. We have recently just started with YouTube. Make use of our expertise and subscribe to the channel, and do remember that we are the best Bank Nifty option providers and intraday stock provider in India. Thank you.